The ultimate body pillow, C-shaped body pillows design replaces need for multiple bed pillows, helping support your back, hips, knees, neck and head. Multi-purpose pregnancy pillows. Adjustable polyfill material adapts to your belly and back when you want to sleep, read, nurse, or watch TV. Third trimester pains? Our full-body pregnancy pillow can help ease you into a better sleep, reducing interruptions throughout the night and helping relieve back pain associated with pregnancy. More than just a pillow for pregnancy, this full-body pillow is perfect for anyone needing more support, recovering from surgery, or tired of having to use separate pillows to support their head, neck, legs and back. Lifetime manufacturer warranty designed in California, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Top reviews from the United States. Lifesaver, no joke. 18 weeks pregnant and I don't have much of a bump, but I have had a lot of trouble sleeping. I have had trouble even before being pregnant, to be honest. I looked at a good 15-20 different pillows and brands and shapes and was really in the fence. I finally did it and I am so thankful that I did. The pillow arrived earlier than expected and I didn't allow the full 48 hours for it to rise. Decided to it a try and took a nap after work, and this is amazing. I feel asleep within seconds, not a normal thing for me. And I stayed asleep, which is another huge thing for me. If you have read reviews and not sure if you should buy it, or if you were like me and wasn't sure if I was big enough to get this pillow, do it. You will be so happy you did. Even without being pregnant, I would buy this pillow again. Using my husband's account to write review.